What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In this video, I just want to give you a quick high-ticket affiliate marketing case study. Now, you can see on the screen right here that yesterday, inside of my Stripe account, I was able to generate $2,100. Now, if I refresh real quick, you're going to see that this is real, legit income that I was able to make in about an hour of actual work, Because the beautiful thing about high-ticket affiliate marketing, as you'll see as you keep watching this video, is that one sale can generate a ton of income. This was actually two sales, One of them was a $2,000 commission and the other one was a $100 commission, Now, before I dive into more information, if you want to actually use the exact high-ticket affiliate marketing program that I use to do this very easily, be sure to click the first link down below. You'll get taken to this free application. Just answer these simple questions here, and if you qualify, you'll be able to see an overview video walking you through how to set this up very easily. But what I want to do again is break down how I was able to actually do this, Because this is totally possible. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. It doesn't matter if you're brand new. If you follow what I share with you, you can do this, So I have a whiteboard online right here. Now, this is really the formula I use for high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, it may seem complicated, but bear with me. As you follow me in this video, I'm going to break this down incredibly easy so you can go out there by the end of the video and start to get the results you truly want, So basically, there's two pieces, There's traffic, which you can see on the left right here, and then there's the conversions and the actual making the commissions, which is on the right. Now, with a proper system in place, which I'll share in a second, the exact system I used, you don't have to do any of this part right here on the right, Because a lot of people are going out there, they want to start high ticket affiliate marketing and they're creating their own capture pages. They're spending all this time trying to create, follow-up emails and knowing how to write the right, text and stuff like that. And if you're brand new, that's a massive learning curve, right? You have to learn how to do sales copy. You have to learn how to do scarcity and all this different stuff. But if you find a system that has high ticket products that they'll promote for you, all you have to do is worry about this left side, which is getting traffic. So all you have to do is send traffic, whether free, or paid based on your situation, and you send it to your capture page link. All you have to do is get traffic to one link. Now, what happens is when someone goes to a capture page, they put their email in. Now it gets taken, or that person gets taken to a sales video, that explains the program and explains the products for you. It does all the telling and selling for you. And that's what I did, This is what I did. I didn't create, my own sales video. I didn't have to come up with follow-up emails. I just sent people to the system, which again, I'll share in just a second. And I was able to have that system follow up with me day 1, day 2, day 3, etc., sending people back to that sales video. And someone actually invested $2,000 yesterday. I was actually at night. I was out having dinner with a friend, and I checked my phone, and I saw, congratulations, you just made a $2,000 commission. And it was because the system was working for me. Now, how do you get free traffic, right? Well, there's a lot of different ways. You can do Facebook, you can do Twitter, you can do Instagram, you can do YouTube, right? How do you get paid traffic? There's solo ads, Bing ads. There's traffic authority, which I've mentioned in many of my videos. There's Craigslist, right? And I have videos, by the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can go to my channel. I have videos breaking down all these different, Facebook in depth, Twitter in depth. So you can see how I'm getting traffic. And you can decide, if you have a lot of free time, but not a lot of money, start with free traffic. If you have more money, but not a lot of time, you're working a job, you have a big family, start with paid traffic. And then as you start to make sales, you can take 30% of the profit, that you've made, and you can invest that into paid ads. And that's how you start to scale. So I can take, part of that $2,000 that I made, and I can reinvest that into ads. And that's how I'm going to keep making more and more money. Now, what system did I actually use? If you've never seen one of my videos recently, basically I used the multiple income funnel. Now, the reason I love this, and again, the link below, you'll be able to sign up and set up your system to start to generate these high ticket affiliate commissions, just like this one, But basically, when you actually go to this funnel and you set up in step 2 the different income streams, one of the income streams is Easy One Up. Okay, now Easy One Up is a platform teaching you how to build a successful online business, but they also have an incredibly instant paying 100% commission um, compensation plan. And basically, if you promote this and you make a sale, you can get that money instantly. Now, this is Easy One Up right here. And when you go to set up these different income streams, there'll be a button on this side, and that will take you to actually set up an account. But they have different levels you can join at, okay? And based on the level you join at, you can earn commissions at that level and below. So because I was serious, I decided to invest the $2,000, okay? Now you can upgrade at any time, but you want to come in as high as possible. And I was, I was serious. I found the money and I got started at this level. Now, what happened was, okay, someone yesterday, they went through the system, they got to Easy One Up and they invested all in, right? They went all in at the $2,000 level. And that's how I was able to generate $2,000. And again, the $100 was from another income stream inside of this system. Now, once you set this up, all you have to do is go to links at the top tab, okay? And this is all I did with this case study. This is literally all I did. I went to the top. Now, there's 3 main capture pages you can promote. Remember, right here, you just want to promote your link here. You just want to get traffic to that link. And with multiple income funnel, I recommend starting with capture page number 3. This is converting the best, meaning when you send people to this, the most people are putting in their name and email in this specific page. You can just go to the top, copy that link, and now you want to get as many people to this link as possible. And again, that's all I did. So I just focused on, personally, I do YouTube mainly, okay? So I do a video just like the one you're watching, and I'll send people just like I'm doing in this video to the link below. And when you go through the process and you invest into the different levels, I'll generate a high ticket commission. But the same with you. Now, you don't have to do YouTube. Again, all of these work equally. You want to pick one to start off with that you like, okay? Because a lot of people go wrong. And I've coached tons of people over the last 5 years. A lot of people, when they get started wanting to do high ticket affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing in general, they try to do everything at once. They try to do Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and they're spreading themselves way too thin. You want to pick one main traffic source, whether it's free or paid, first. Start to get about 30 leads a day, meaning 30 people to put their email into this capture page, and then you can spread yourself out more. And that's what I did. I started with YouTube. I started getting consistent 30 leads a day, and then I started spreading myself out to other things, okay? So I just wanted to share this very quick case study with you with the high ticket affiliate marketing. If you like this video, you want me to make more, be sure to click the like button. Also, again, if you want to set up the exact high ticket affiliate system that I've personally used to generate $2,100 yesterday, be sure to go down to the link under this video and set up the process. And last but not least, my friend, if you don't want to miss out on my latest step-by-step training videos, be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. Without further ado, my friend, I hope you got value, and I will see you on my next video.